Attention builders! If you need to remove old coatings, reduce, groove or clean surfaces, Concrete Care has a perfect solution for you. We have a wide range of VonArx floor scarifiers and shavers for jobs of any size, big and small, available for sale or hire. The VonArx VA10L is the smallest machine in the range and particularly designed for roughening and cleaning small areas and tight corners. It has a working width of 100 mm and is equipped with a swivel handle. The machine is also designed to run on 110-volt single-phase and 230-volt household power supply. Various cutters can be fitted to suit different applications. The FR200 Scarifier has a working width of 200 mm and handles a variety of different jobs, from straightforward cleaning to the tricky removal of pavement markings. The compact size and the easy handling of the machine makes it ideal for carrying out precise work on small or medium surfaces, both indoors and outdoors. Available in petrol Honda engine and 110-volt single-phase and 230-volt domestic electrical powered versions. The VA25S with its 250 mm working width is the machine of choice for medium to large surfaces. Equipped with a vibration absorber and an infinite variable depth adjuster, the flexible VA25S offers the highest level of user comfort and efficiency. Various cutters can be fitted to suit different applications. This scarifier is available in petrol and 230-volt or 3-phase electric versions. The VA30S has a working width of 300 mm and is ideal where paved surfaces need to be roughened, grooved, cleaned, or where layers need to be removed. The VA30S Infinite Variable Depth Adjuster allows to adapt perfectly to every surface. The vibration absorption system and easy handling make the job more pleasant and efficient. It allows the VA30S to glide across the hardest challenge as a heavy-duty surface preparation machine. Various cutters can be fitted to suit different applications. This machine is available in petrol, diesel, 230-volt and 3-phase electrical versions. The VA30SH with 300 mm working width and hydraulic traction is the best choice when heavy-duty cleaning and roughening work is due. This machine owes its agility to hydraulic traction and is easy to use. It is ideal for cleaning large areas of concrete, removing concrete slurry, dirt, plastic or roughening smooth surfaces. It is also used for paint removal and rubber lining removal at airports. Various cutters can be fitted to suit different applications. The VA30SH is equipped with a variable depth adjuster and a vibration absorption system. This machine is available in 230-volt, 3-phase, petrol or diesel versions. With the DTF25SH the surface is carefully grinded off instead of chipping it away. Because of this the machine runs calmly and produces a smooth surface. The DTF25SH has a drum which is equipped with diamond blades. It removes the material very precisely. You can choose between two different diamond blades for grooving or milling, one for rough and one for smooth surface preparation. For running the machine you must connect the water cooling system so the diamond blades do not overheat. The machine is available in LPG powered or as a 11 kW electrical version with a hydraulic traction unit. DTF30SH works under its weight on the floor, and it is to be led by an operator. It can be equipped with 35 cm wide stacked diamond impregnated shaving blades, mounted either on a drum or directly on the machine shaft. The construction features a 4-inch dust extraction port as well as a water connection for blades cooling and dust control. The diamond blades have segments with varying hardness to cut soft, medium or hard concrete depending upon the surface hardness. The stacked diamond blades can be configured next to each other to shave thin materials or with a spacing gap to cut deeper passes. This machine comes in a 3-phase electrical version only. Concrete Care offers a wide range of diamond tools, surface preparation and dust extraction equipment. Call us today on 01 88 99 000 or visit our showroom located in Kylemore Park North, Dublin 10. Our staff have years of experience working on various surface preparation projects and can help you choose the best equipment and tools for the job. So don't delay and get in touch today. We promise you will be glad you did.